TRIM E950 is built on a proprietary blend of new vegetable-based technology, engineered for demanding metal removal operations where performance and consistency matter most. TRIM E950 delivers consistent performance and extended sump life, helping shops reduce maintenance and keep operations running efficiently. TRIM E950 provides exceptional surface finish and extended tool life on aluminum alloys, titanium, stainless steel, Inconel, and other high-strength materials. Its robust formulation resists the rancid odors often associated with traditional emulsions, supporting longer sump life, fewer cleanouts, and more productive uptime.
A lot of people think of coolant as an afterthought, but marrying the right coolant with the right cutting tools, speeds and feeds, it can have a significant impact on your productivity and production.
The advantages of TRIM E950 include a very long sump life and low carryoff, which reduce operating costs. Designed for real-world shop conditions, TRIM E950 minimizes foam and performs reliably in both hard and soft water environments. Advanced non-chlorinated and non-sulfurized EP additives help TRIM E950 deliver reliable performance in challenging aerospace machining environments. TRIM E950 is easily recycled or disposed of using standard metalworking fluid handling methods. Designed for performance, it creates a fine, stable emulsion that promotes fast wetting, corrosion protection, and clean machine conditions. Engineered for extreme lubricity, long fluid life, and consistent performance in the most demanding machining applications. To learn more about TRIM E950, contact us at masterfluids.com.